of holy wreaths and colored lights that twinkle in the snowy nights. Nice! Christmas is a time for cake and other things that Mommy makes. Of little stockings on the wall with tiny treasures in them. Christmas is a time of joy for every little girl and boy. A time for toys and balls and bats and puppy dogs and baseball hats.
But just remember, Christmas brings much more than toys and other things. More than tinsels, more than lights, more than jingle bells and nights.
Most of all, this time of year with all its love and Christmas cheer remind us of the gift of love that came to us up above.
But long ago in Bethlehem, a star rose above the land. Little angels came to earth to sing the news of Jesus Christ.
The shepherds heard and saw with joy and went to see the baby born. 3 wise men saw his wonderful star and made the journey from afar.
They gave him gifts of spice and gold that Christmas foretold. Now Christmas is a time to share the love of Jesus Christ everywhere.
A time when we can laugh and sing. A time when we can laugh and sing. A time when we can laugh and sing and thank the Lord for everything. So we think of